So I first saw these patches about 2 years ago. Same time I noticed my hair had heat damage from applying too much direct heat to my hair. And this was mid 2021 and kept getting worse and couldn't figure out how to get my edges back until now when I decided to try this home remedy. I want to share with you how I grew back my edges in 8 weeks. Honeys, welcome back and thanks for watching. My name is Nad, and what I used to grow back my edges in 8 weeks was cloves. I want to share with you how I prepare the cloves water, the techniques I use in applying it to my hair to ensure its effectiveness and to achieve the best maximum results. So this is cloves and this is how it looks. Now cloves are aromatic flower buds which can be used as spice in foods and drinks for flavoring or even for fragrance. Okay, just giving you a closer look so you can actually see exactly how it looks. Just in case you don't know how it looks and you're out there trying to buy it, this is what you should be looking for. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I start preparing my cloves water by first taking 2 heaped tablespoons of cloves into a jar, and then I add a full cup of water. Now I'll advise you not use boiling water or hot water, just room temperature is perfect. Okay, and I stir. You can see as soon as you put the water in, the color start changing, telling you the goodness in the cloves water is transferring. The goodness in the cloves is being transferred into the water, and I speed this process up by just using a spoon to stir it. Okay, and you can see the color already starting to look beautiful. This, and at this stage, guys, your cloves water is not ready. It's not ready at all. Okay, you can see this beautiful color. Okay, but it's not ready. We're going to leave it and allow the infusion process to take place. This is, look at this rich color, but again, as I said, it's not ready. This is 3 hours. You can use it from this time, but I will still say give it some time for the infusion to carry on. Okay, and this is how it looks after 3 hours, but I'm going to store mine for 7 days. Okay, and after 7 days, guys, this is what we have. You can see the color of the cloves water is now dark, just like a coffee color. Okay, and the cloves themselves actually looks brighter, lighter. Okay, showing that all the goodness in the cloves. The goodness in the cloves is now being transferred into the water, losing its color to the water. Now my cloves water is ready to be transferred, and I use this technique just to make it less messy. Okay, so all I'm doing is just using Tide, okay, to transfer the cloves water, and you can use cheesecloths, it's up to you. I just want to mention that cloves contains a great amount of nutrients and has many benefits for the hair. Cloves contains potassium, sodium, calcium, omega-3 fatty acid, iron, manganese, vitamin K, iodine. It has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. Cloves help to eliminate dandruff due to its anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and antimicrobial property. It helps to strengthen your hair and prevent breakage due to its main active ingredient called the eugenol, which contains antioxidants which help to prevent the oxidation of the hair follicle. Look at that beautiful rich color, guys. This is just beautiful. Cloves also help prevent premature graying because of its antioxidants, which increases the pigment level in the hair. Okay, cloves adds shine to your hair, and the anti-inflammatory agents in cloves also help thicken your hair. And our cloves water is ready to be used. So I'm showing you the area, okay, before we do it, and I'm also going to measure my hair before we apply the cloves and water, because I want to know if I'm going to get some length, okay, some inches. Okay, even though this challenge is to grow my edges, I want to see if I'm also going to gain some inches. So as you can see, when I release my finger, the hair will stop at 10 inches. Just have a look. Okay, so when I release it, it stops at 10 inches. Okay, let's take it slow, and then you see exactly 10 inches again, guys. So coming closer, you can see exactly 10 inches. So my hair before applying the cloves is 10 inches exactly. Now my hair is all cornrowed, ready to be sprayed. Okay, so here we go. Like I said, I'm going to show you exactly the techniques I use to make sure I achieve the best maximum result. Okay, so what I do, I spray the cloves on my scalp and then I catch it with my finger and I press it in, okay? And then I give it a good massage. Now, you want to make sure you give the scalp a very good massage, okay? Now, as you can see, I'm focusing more on the scalp. I'm not really spraying my hair much, even though some will go on it, but I'm focusing more because cloves water can be very dry, okay, for your hair. So I'm not spraying too much on the hair. And also at this stage, you want to make sure you oil your scalp, okay, to avoid dryness. So guys, as you can see, I'm massaging my scalp very well, okay? You can do it for like 5 minutes, you can go 10 minutes, 15 or even 20 minutes, the better for your hair. But this massage step is so important. It's the most important in this challenge, okay, to ensure, okay, the growth. Make sure you massage. And when I say massage, I mean moving your scalp with your fingers. Don't just move your head around or moving your hair, move your scalp, okay? Just as you can see me doing, you can actually see my scalp moving under my fingers. Okay, this is exactly what we have to do. And yes, we're done for the first day, okay? And here we had 2 weeks later after applying the cloves water every other day for 3 days a week, okay, for 2 weeks. So I applied it every other day. So every week I apply the spray water 3 times a week, okay? And this is it. I can see some growth already, guys. I can see some growth, okay? So let's have a look at the back. I can see some growth, guys. Definitely. And guys, you can store your cloves, your spray water in the fridge, okay? You can actually store it and keep it for like a month, unlike, you know, rice water. This one you can keep it for a very long time, okay? So yeah. So again, I'm going to spray, okay, again to show you on camera. So again, I put it on my scalp and then I catch it with my fingers and I press the water into my scalp and then I massage it into it. Now, as you can see, the area, my patch area, okay, the hair growing there is very thin, it's very fine, you can see, okay? So you have to be very gentle when you're massaging this area, very gentle but firm, okay? Making sure the spray water, you catch it just like I've done and then massage it into your scalp, okay? And then you massage the rest of your scalp the same way, okay? Now I will say that my hair didn't smell when I was doing this, you know, it doesn't have any smell, okay? It's really good. So again, I'm just massaging. Now guys, here I just want to mention that, okay, so this is it after 8 weeks, guys. This is after 8 weeks. Look at that, guys. My edges are filled up, okay? Right from, you know, that bald area. Look at that. It's all filled up. This cloves water is amazing, guys. And look at the growth. I know it looks a bit, but I just wanted you to see it. Genuinely, I wanted you to see exactly how. I didn't want to tidy it or anything, just show you exactly how it looks, okay? And you can just see the growth. It's unbelievable. So as you know, we're going to measure the hair again, okay, so we can see if there is any growth, if there's any inches. Like I said, I was purposely doing this for my edges, so if there's any inches, it will be a bonus. So here we go. I've got my tape measure and I'm going to take the first cornrows at the front, 2 cornrows. So we're going to measure exactly the same place I measured before we sprayed the water, okay, same place. So here we go. So the same place, okay? And I'm going to come closer for you to see that the tape measure starts exactly where my hair starts from the scalp. So you know this measurement is accurate, okay? It's genuine, okay? And I'm also getting a bit of help to do it so you can see it clearly, okay? And you can see the hair stops exactly at 12 inches where the finger is, okay, with the red circle, and then it starts right from where the red line is. And that's it, guys, 12 inches. So I have gained 2 more inches with this challenge. And look at my hair, guys, unbelievable. This is after I've washed my hair, guys. I can straight away see some thickness. I can see the thickness, the volume, okay? My hair's never been this thick. It's amazing. This cloves water is amazing, guys. And definitely the inches. Now guys, how can I not say this? I want to say thank you so much for all the new subscribers that came. We have got from our people. Guys, I am bringing you the hair mask. Okay, I know I have to mention this as I get in trouble. I am bringing the hair mask. It's just because I was doing this challenge, so definitely I had to come bring it. And also I had some videos that I saw already, so please don't worry, I'm working on the hair mask already and it's coming, okay, for you. This is the most requested video, this hair mask, and please know that I'm bringing it to you. But guys, look at the thickness of this hair, look at the volume. It's unbelievable. And also I just want to mention that I didn't get any much breakage when I was washing it. And this, like, look at the back, this is beautiful. And I think this K culture product, guys, is really working for my hair. The product I use on my hair actually is so good. Look at that. This is my hair, guys. It's unbelievable. The Cloves water is amazing. This is the back all full, you know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well, and please share. This will be helpful for everyone. Thank you so much. Love you to the moon and back.